This Coldwell Banker Heritage Homes property video is presented by Dana Green. Looking for a home that has lots of curb appeal? Here you go. The minute you walk through the front door you feel right at home in this traditional floor plan. The hardwood floors set off the dining room and breakfast room. Galle-style kitchen has plenty of counter space and cabinetry. Separate laundry room. Large living space. My favorite room of all is the sunroom, which features a wet bar, electric fireplace and half bath. No need to ever leave. You can come into the sunroom from the primary bedroom, which features a massive closet, plus a cedar closet inside this closet. Whether you need a man cave or she shed, this one is absolutely wonderful. A 20x24 with an overhead door, loft storage, both 110 and 220 outlets for those who like organization. Each wall has pegboard plus insulation. You have time to start the new year in your dream home. For more information,